would like. So I am going to apply one coat of it and cure for 30 seconds. Hi Rave, how are you? Thanks so much for tuning in, everyone. Happy Monday.
Lindsay asked, what's the theme for today?
The theme for today is such a great question because it rolls black and white. What are you gonna think? Romantic, dramatic? What do you think? Exotic or whatever. It's like, is this theme is gonna be a black, roses, crystal. So what do you lady thinks? And then like maybe exotic? No?
No, Whisper's thinking.
It's
Maybe you can just say romantic.
romantic. It's really cool though, because I'm said,
Or you
Wait.
can call it Why of the Roses.
I don't know. Okay, we think about it. It's at first I really want to do just half of it, but look at that, it's so beautiful. So I don't know, I might want to do all of them. But it's really cool about this. If you want to do a different angle, you can. I'm gonna go ahead and do this because
Jessica said romantically exotic.
okay, sounds really good.
I like that.
Exotic romance.
I'm gonna place this. It doesn't matter if it doesn't turn out really the way we want it because I placed the flowers. But if it's not, then I'm gonna do the crystals along with that and wherever the space it give me. So,
Foxy
And-
said War of the Roses.
oh, sounds good.
Oh my god, I said the same thing.
Did you?
I didn't hear you.
Did you say that earlier? You too are get really like what it called similar.
One of the Roses is a real thing that happened back in England.
For real?
Yes. Back then called Duelists of the Roses.
Let me see what is in.
Between different family. And they use red rose and white rose too. To identify. It's a cool event.
You know what? I want to take this one out. Did you cure that one for me?
Just a second.
Yeah. Hold on. Let me get that. I don't think so. I don't think he cured properly. So when it here, let me. Yeah. Give it to me. It's okay, but it wasn't dry at all. Because I know it's really sticky. So he filed everyone. He's like, he probably put 15 seconds. Did you put 15 seconds? Did you take a look at? Now I said, crap, I did it.
No, it looks pretty.
We shall
No,
try
sir.
again.
Oh no, I think she's missing a part of it right here.
No, because first of all, when this one is